In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete URL autofill browser tips. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu. From that menu, choose Clear Browsing Data. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, there is a faster way to open the same window. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. On a Mac, press Command, Shift, and Delete. Either method will bring you to the Browsing Data Removal screen. When that window appears, switch to the Advanced tab. This is important because it gives you more control over exactly what Chrome will remove. In the time range setting, choose All Time. Next, look through the list of data types and check the box for autofill form data. Also check the box for browsing history. This helps remove address bar suggestions connected to websites you have visited before. Before you continue, take a moment to review the boxes that are selected. Once everything looks correct, click Clear Data. Chrome will begin removing the selected information. Depending on how much data is stored, this may take a few seconds. This is a simple way to clean up Chrome and reduce unwanted address bar suggestions. That covers everything you need to know.